Good morning viewers. Today we are going to discuss about complement of set. Yesterday we have discussed a little bit of complement of set, that is the definition of complement of set, but today we are going to discuss some properties of complement of set, that is some properties of complement of set. The first property is, that is A union A complement is equal to universal set, and second property is A intersection A complement is equal to null set. Now we have to discuss these two properties by Venn diagram. First, to prove the first one, draw an universal set U, and this is A. This is A, and outside of A is denoted as A complement. Now A union A dashed. A union A dashed. Now first A, set this region with horizontal line. Okay. Now A complement set outside of A by vertical line. Vertical, this is A union A dashed. So all the regions, that is whether it is horizontal and whether it is vertical, all are belong to this set, that is A union A complement. That is all are covered, that is A union A complement is equal to U, that is universal set. So you can write A union A complement is equal to U. Now come to the next point, that is number 2. Draw again a universal set, that is U and A. Now A intersection A complement, that is A, the common region, that is common region between inside of A and outside of A, which is not possible at all, because A complement means outside region of A and A means inside region of A. There is no common region between them. Therefore A intersection A dashed, A intersection A dashed certainly is a null set. Hence the first two properties are proved. Now we are proceeding to some very important properties of complement of set, that is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. De Morgan's laws. There are two laws. There are two laws of De Morgan. The first one is A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. The second one is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay. Now take the first thing, first formula. Now draw a universal set and draw two sets A and B A, B. That is A union B complement. Now set the region A union B complement. A union B complement. The region outside A and B. The region outside A and B is A union B complement. That is this region. Outside A and B. Outside A and B. This is A union B complement. Don't make, we did not entry either A or B, that is region outside A and B. Now A dash intersection B dash. Draw another universal set A, B, A, B. A dash intersection B dash. Now A dash intersection B dash. A complement means outside region of A. That should be drawn with horizontal lines. I am drawing the region outside A by horizontal lines. Don't enter into A, because you are drawing A complement. A complement, that is don't enter A. Okay, don't enter A. A should be vacant, that is A complement. Now B complement. Now I am giving set with vertical line. B complement. Don't enter B, don't enter B, but you can enter A. Okay, now A dash intersection B dash, that is the common region of A complement and B complement, that is horizontal line and vertical line. The region where both horizontal line and vertical line are, that region is A complement intersection B complement. Now look at A has only vertical lines and B has only horizontal lines. Except A and B, the remaining region is A complement intersection B complement, and which is equal to this. Therefore, you can certainly write A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Proved. Okay, this is the first theorem or first property of De Morgan's. Now we are going to prove the second property. The second property, that is A intersection B complement. Number 2, with Venn diagram, with the help of Venn diagram, draw U A union B, A intersection B, that is A B, and this portion is A intersection B. Now A intersection B complement, that is don't enter this region and set outside of this region. Okay, set outside of this region. Don't enter that common region. We did not enter A intersection B, this region. Okay, this is A intersection B, A intersection B dashed. Now come to A complement union B complement. Draw another universal set, that is A B, A, B. Now A complement means horizontal line, set horizontal line outside A. Don't make any entry within A. Okay, A is left vacant. Now B complement is to be shaded with vertical lines. B complement, don't make any entrance within B. Don't go inside B. It is locked. Don't go inside B. Now A complement union B complement means either horizontal line or vertical lines. The region where either horizontal lines or vertical lines are, the whole region is denoting that A complement union B complement. Now left side also, this is A intersection B. You can say this region there is no horizontal line and no vertical line. Therefore beside this region, this is answer, and here also beside this region the remaining set is answer. Therefore two answers are equal. Therefore you can certainly conclude that A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay, now we are going to discuss one example. Now we are going to discuss one mathematical example, that is, if here it is given that a universal set 1 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now A is equal to 2468 and B is equal to 2357. Now we have to prove De Morgan's law first. De Morgan's law, left hand side LHS, that is A union B complement. First find A union B. A union B, that means collection of A and B, all the elements of A and B, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now actually A union B complement, that is the left hand side of this theorem. Complement of A union B, that is delete these elements from universal set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 1 and 9. Okay. Now come to the right hand side position. RHS, that is A dashed intersection B dashed. Now A complement, first you have to find A complement, that is rub 2, 4, 6, 8, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is A complement, and now write B complement. B complement means 2, 3, 5, 7 except 2, 3, 5, 7. That is 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 deleted, that is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now the right hand side, that is A dashed intersection B dashed, the common point, that is 1, 1 and 9, 9. 1 9. This is 1 9, this is also 1 9, therefore these two are equal. Therefore A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, which is proved. That is, the first De Morgan's law is proved, and the second law with this sum again prove the second law also with this sum. Now the first one, that is LHS is equal to A intersection B complement. Now you have to find A intersection B. Now A and B are given. What are the common elements between A and B? 2. No other elements is common, that is 2 only. Now come to RHS, that is A dashed union B dashed. A dashed union B dashed. A intersection B. A intersection B, only 2 is the common element. Now A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement, that is the left hand side of this law. Except to write all the elements of universal set. That is 1 3 4 5. 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the actual left hand side. Now come to the right hand side, that is A complement union B complement. Now first you find out A dashed. So A dashed is delete these elements from universal set, that is 2 4 6 8. 2 4 6 8, that is remains the odd numbers 1 3 5 7 1 3 5 7 9. Okay. Now B complement, that is 2 3 5 7, delete 2 3 5 7. 2 3 5 7 1 4 6 1 4 6 8 9. Now the right hand side, A dashed union B dashed. A dashed union, that is 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now compare, friends, if they are equal. 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Therefore these is also equal. Hence A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. This is the second law of De Morgan's, which is proved also. Now this is today's class, and if you like today's class, then like it, share it and subscribe it, and do press the bell icon to get the notification of next classes. Thank you.